Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy and today's video is going to be an unboxing for the final week of Supreme, or my final item from the final week of Supreme. Obviously I picked up the headband as by the live cop and the thumbnail for this video, you can probably see that. But yeah, we're just going to get straight into this unboxing. There's not really much that I can say. Obviously the first thing is Happy New Year because it is now 2019 officially, so yeah, there is not much that I can really say. Thanks for the support on that video, and as always I'll just leave it linked in like the corner and at the end of the video if you haven't seen it yet. But other than that, let me know down below if your item has arrived yet. If it has, what did you cop, what size, what colorway, or did you just sleep on the week for the final week obviously of Fall Winter 18. And if your item hasn't arrived yet, does it have a shipping date? Has it got a set time for when it's going to arrive? Or have you not got that far with your email yet? Other than that, are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling what you picked up? I know recently there's not been a lot of resale on a majority of the items due to them probably being restocked so much. There's not a massive amount of profit available on some of the items, there's just sort of like minimal profit. But yeah, if you're selling it or reselling it on, as always, let me know down below. Other than that, I do have one item to also show during this video after I've unboxed the item, which is a present from my brother from Christmas. So yeah, let's get into this anyway. And I do also have to say thank you for 7,500 subscribers, because we hit it before New Year's Day. We hit it last night at some point at like 11 o'clock or so. So yeah, because of people subscribing, we hit the goal that I was sort of aiming for in like the coming weeks to New Year's. So that's just amazing. But package, or my headband, let's unbox this. The headband's restocked, I believe it was on Sunday night or Sunday evening. Somebody in Discord tagged a load of people and then tagged me to it, just showing that they'd all like come back in stock, but within the sort of night or like by the next morning they were all just gone again. So I believe the olive or dark green and the baby blue colorway is still available though, or were still available. This is not tearing. Like I'm definitely going to get something for next season that will make things a lot easier. I'm just stretching this. I'm literally just stretching it. I'm not actually doing any tearing. I'm literally just stretching it like. Anyway, I'm in the bag now, so let's open this up. Last time I can do this until next season. Right, here it is, the headband in the natural colorway. Get a box logo sticker as per norm. And here it is, the Polartec headband. Now a lot of people said that they did like the colorways, a lot of people said they didn't like the colorways, a lot of people said the material might not be the best for a headband. But you know, it's fine. I do still think that the blue on the black colorway of this popped a lot more, but this still looks, you know, nice. If it would not focus on me for once, please. There we go. It's focusing on the actual thing for once. So yeah, I am probably going to be stocking this for a little bit of time. Not for any resale purposes, it's just because at the time being I've still got the black colorway in the big logo headband, or whatever it was called. I'm sure it was the big logo headband, or the new era headband, something like that. I've still got that, I'm still wearing that, and then I've still got the other headband that I picked up, and now I've got this one, so starting a bit of a collection of them. Now I know a lot of people have also asked, so I will be going through the things that I have copped and kept this season. That will probably be the title of the video, because I have sold obviously a couple of pieces during the season or throughout the season, and yeah, I'm just going to go through that probably during next week. But this week I'll probably have my sort of best live cops. I have all the original footage, so I don't need to like throw in clips from the videos, so I'll just go through and edit from the 19 weeks, the sort of best ones in my view, or the obviously 3 are going to be quite obvious for the best ones, but the best ones in my view that I was able to get, or just the best reactions that I had to some of the items. Apart from that, I'll also be finishing off the Fall Winter 18 and the Spring Summer 18 comparison that I did midway during this season. That will be finished off to give a comparison of which season was the best, and then just my thoughts about Fall Winter 18, because overall for me personally it wasn't a bad season. It was an extremely good season, and hopefully spring summer 19 just goes the same way. So anyway, let's get into the thing that I said my brother got me, and I will be back in like a second because I'm just grabbing it. Okay, so you can probably see it there now, but the first thing, obviously, just because I just wanted to go through it because it was sitting on top of the box, I need to put it away. He got me some North Face shorts, so I was just going to show them because I had them. But anyway, the main item, or the item from my brother for Christmas time, you know, my first pair of Jordan 1s. You can probably tell what's coming if you've watched previous videos. The box is a bit banged up because he did bring it back from America, so it's a little bit broken, but that doesn't matter. So I should just like do it like that for the thumbnail sort of thing. But anyway, I'll move this receipt because there's a receipt. My first Air Jordan 1s, I showed these when I was last streaming. I was just so happy, you know, like just extremely happy about this, like, because I obviously asked for it, but it's just the side that having them in hand is just crazy, you know, when you ask for something and then it's sort of in front of you, it's a completely different feeling. So I will put that down. I need to move that, move the receipt and things, and we have the Pine Green Air Jordan 1s. I don't really know how to showcase anything else, but yeah, here they are. I have not worn them yet. I've not tried them on or anything, but obviously I'm gonna have the full green outfit with the box logo beanie, which is still just down there, and then the box logo crew neck, the black track fleece or fleece track or Nike fleece track pants in black, and then the Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. Yeah. The only like Jordan shoe that I've actually purchased before was a pair of, I can't actually remember their names, but they were called, the colorway was called the Hare, but I'll throw a picture on screen of them. I never got them out of the box. I don't even know why I ordered them in the first place. I think they were on discount or something, or on offer, and I just picked them up for no reason whatsoever, and they've literally stayed in the box then within the box that they came in for maybe 4 years. Well, no, now it's 2019, 5 years now they've stayed there, and yeah, I think they're still the same price that I paid for them. I still don't know why I bought them, but yeah, I'm just extremely happy, and I will just bring it up close because why not? I'll probably do an up close anyway, but yeah. I'm just extremely happy, you know, just extremely happy. And at some point I will have a picture on Instagram with the full thing on. Who did someone say? Someone said I'd look like someone from the, it was in the Discord, in the stream, they put that I'd look like the person who did the Complex News video where they had the red on black and red on black. They said I'd be like that, so we'll see how it looks, but that is going to cover this video. So yeah, that is going to pretty much cover this video. I was just going to get the shoes out of the box because there's no point in not like having them out. Oh yeah, no, the green or pine green sort of colorway for the laces. Let me know down below if I should put them on or whether I should just leave it with the black colorway or the black colored laces on them, because I'm not really obviously like a Jordan person, so I don't know massively. Obviously I know of a lot of Jordans and Air Jordan 1s and things, but I don't wear them, so I've never worn them because I thought I could probably never pull them off or pull off wearing Jordans. But yeah, obviously let me know down below. That is going to cover this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, that'd be much appreciated. Other than that, I will hopefully have a video out of one of the ones that I mentioned during this week. And yeah, that's it. As I said the other day, if you'd like to, you can comment down below what you received for Christmas. I already saw a couple of the comments and a couple of things where people got some Yeezys and other things like that. And obviously just comment down below if you spent Christmas with your family or whether you spent it with friends or whoever. And I hope everyone had a good Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. But other than that, I'm rambling on. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Peace. Also, finally starting to rock the cords, because I just need to. There's no point keeping it in a bag. I should start wearing it, so yeah. Peace.